The Garmin Venu 3S soft gold stainless steel bezel 1.2-inch is a compact powerhouse that balances premium design and robust health tracking in a petite package. From the moment you unbox it, the soft gold stainless steel bezel catches your eye. Its subtle shine elevates any outfit, while the 1.2-inch AMOLED screen delivers vivid color and deep blacks, making every metric pop. Design and comfort. At 40 millimeters across, the Venu 3S sits comfortably on most wrists without feeling bulky. The silicone strap is soft yet secure, and Garmin's quick-release mechanism means you can swap bands in seconds. Whether you're at the office or out on a run, the lightweight case and rounded edges ensure it never digs in or flaps around. I found it comfortable enough to wear overnight for sleep tracking, and the watch face remains discreet and elegant, even when paired with formal attire. Display and user interface. The 390 by 390 resolution screen is bright enough to read in direct sunlight, and taps and swipes feel snappy thanks to Garmin's refined UI. The touchscreen works seamlessly, and there's also a dual-button layout on the right side for moments when the screen gets sweaty or wet. Menu navigation is intuitive. Swipe down for quick settings, up for notifications, left and right through widgets like heart rate, weather, and the Garmin Coach training plans. Health and fitness tracking. Garmin has packed the Venu 3S with advanced sensors. 24/7 heart rate monitoring, pulse ox, respiration rate, and stress tracking are all on board. During my testing, heart rate readings were impressively accurate when compared to a chest strap, even during high-intensity intervals. Sleep tracking is detailed, light, deep, and REM stages are logged automatically, and Morning Report gives you a concise health snapshot. Stress and energy levels use the body battery metric, helping you decide when to push hard or take a rest day. On the activity side, you get dozens of built-in sports apps: running, cycling, swimming, yoga, rowing, and more. GPS lock is fast, and tracking accuracy stayed within a few meters of my phone's GPS on outdoor runs. Auto-lap alerts, cadence data, and customizable data screens make this a serious training partner for both beginners and seasoned athletes. Smartwatch features. Smart notifications, calls, texts, calendar alerts appear crisply on screen, and you can reply with canned messages, Android only. Garmin Pay works flawlessly for contactless purchases, and you can store up to 650 songs directly on the watch or stream via Spotify/Pandora when paired with Bluetooth headphones. Battery life is a strong suit. Expect up to 7 days in smartwatch mode and about 8 hours with all sensors, GPS plus music running. In real-world use, I went 5 days of mixed notifications, workouts, and GPS tracking before dipping below 20%. Battery and charging. The included magnetic charger snaps securely onto the back. A full charge takes about 45 minutes, and Garmin's Power Manager lets you toggle off certain sensors to eke out extra usage if you anticipate a long trip without the charger. Pros and cons. Pros: elegant stainless steel design, vivid AMOLED display, advanced health metrics, pulse ox, body battery, sleep stages, GPS accuracy and responsive UI, music storage and Garmin Pay. Cons: no touchscreen lock, accidental taps during workouts, replying to texts only on Android, premium price point. Verdict: the Garmin Venu 3S Soft Gold is an ideal choice for anyone who wants a smaller-sized smartwatch without sacrificing flagship features. It blends style and substance. Track every workout, monitor health around the clock, manage your music and payments, all wrapped in an eye-catching stainless steel frame. If you've been waiting for a compact, feature-rich wearable that looks as good in the boardroom as it does on the trail, the Venu 3S deserves top consideration.